You may have heard the phrase, data is the new oil. But why? Through the lens of DigiBank, let's see where the value and power of data can come from, and what it can lead to. Let's start by looking into the case study. To revise quickly, we are looking into DigiBank, which is a digital bank that only deals with online services. It has no physical location. The customers join and open accounts through the app or website. Currently, there are 10,000 transactions a day through DigiBank systems. There is a full executive suite, and for this case study, we will be acting as the CTO. As always, this video has simplified topics. It is designed to expose you to key ideas and concepts. It is based on my own experience and personal views. I would still recommend doing further research yourself. Let us first start by thinking about what we want this company to be. Previously, the CEO was in a company in which he had to make decisions based on his gut feel. He had no facts and was often in a difficult situation. For DigiBank, they want to be able to make decisions based on the data and facts, and have supporting evidence that validates their choices. The decisions should lead to improved processes, outcomes, and profit. They want to be forward-thinking, supporting innovation, long-lasting solutions, and gaining an understanding of potential issues before they arise. It will be important to measure key metrics and understand performance over time. All of this can be done through data and analytics, utilizing AI and machine learning technologies to support an improved outcome. So what does this look like? Right now in the business, they have data available and need to make decisions. But to do that, they need to do a lot of manual processing themselves. There is nothing to refine the data into actionable insights. We want to start improving this by introducing analytics to support decision making. This can be achieved through iterative improvements. The first stage is descriptive. This form of analysis describes what has happened. It looks at past events to provide an understanding of the current situation. For DigiBank, this could be, how many customers do they have? How many did they have last year? These insights provide value by understanding the stability and validity of the current business. The next stage is understanding why things have happened. This is known as diagnostic. Why did the customers increase by 10%? One can explore price movements, process changes, marketing campaigns, and attribute values to each. These insights can support choices around investment and prioritization going forward. Following on is predictive. The previous stages were looking at past events. This stage looks towards the future. In this stage, we can address questions such as, for the current growth rate, how big will we be next year? If we did X, what would the growth rate be? If we did nothing, what would the growth rate be? This allows us to plan for the future, adjusting quickly, and foresee potential risks and opportunities. It is important to realize that each stage is reducing the space between data, decision, and action. The final stage is prescriptive. This stage moves into the decision and action space. It does not just predict what will happen, but predicts actions that take place. For a decision support system, a potential solution could be to recommend rate changes for a target market to address their expected needs. On the other hand, a decision automation system could take the action. For example, it might predict that lower rates would increase sales with younger customers, and therefore will automatically adjust the rate, taking that action. This will allow DigiBank to quickly adjust to market forces, enabling them to be agile and profitable. For our case study, DigiBank is right at the beginning. They're in descriptive. But as we go through these videos, we will see them progress and transform as they move through each of the stages. As we continue with this case study, we'll investigate what they need to do to move from data to insights. DigiBank will need to address the people, processes, and technology within the organization. The people would include strategy, leadership, talent. Processes looks at setting measurable goals, establishing metrics, and enabling self-service, and allow access to the data. Finally, there's the technology that supports the heavy processing, innovation, access, security, and experimentation. In this series, we're going to focus only on the technology. We're going to understand the foundations, and we'll see the issues DigiBank will face, as well as how they overcome them. So let's join them as we go through this journey. Thank you for watching. If you want more information, please use some of the links in the description. Feel free to leave a comment or a question down below, and please subscribe if you want more content.